I am glad to be in Hyderabad this morning, and my thanks to TAAPMA for inviting me. An international exposition of this size does not assemble itself. It takes belief, patience, and many months of work that nobody sees. The number of exhibitors here and the visitors who will follow over 4 days tell you what's TAAPMA's word is worth in this industry. Sri Narendra Baldeva, Sri Mila Jaydev, and the entire organizing team, my compliments on behalf of Plastindia Foundation. Friends, permit me a few figures. They explain better than speech why an exhibition like this deserves your attention. Consider where the country already stands. India is today's world's 5th largest manufacturer, the 5th largest economy by nominal output, and the 3rd largest by purchasing power. None of that happened on its own. Make in India, the production-linked incentive schemes, the plastic parks, Skill India, the push on infrastructure, the digital economy, the startup ecosystem. Between them have expanded capacity, brought in the better technology, and made our exports competitive. India sits inside global value chain today in a way it did not a decade ago. No major economy in the world is growing faster than India, about 6.5%. Between 2028 and 2030, we will be the 3rd largest economy on earth, with output of roughly 640 lakh crore, about $7 trillion by 2030. The median Indian is 20-year-old, a young country, earning more and spending more, and a good part of that spending arrives eventually on an order on the shop floor in this hall. Our industry has grown with it. We are today 4.5 lakh crore industry, adding 6 to 9% a year and expected to hold that pace through 2031. We employ about 50 lakh people. Our exports should cross 1.5 lakh crore this year. And more telling the figure, the mix has shifted from raw material to finished goods. And we recycle close to 60% of what we consume, which places India among the leaders anywhere in the world. Remember the number. When our industry is spoken about carelessly, it is the most useful reply we have. Where does the demand come from? Packaging is still the foundation, about 40 to 60%. On consumption, healthcare and petrochemical, pharmaceutical is the quickest growing segment as of now, led by medical devices. Automotive takes 15%, driven by lightweighting and electric vehicle chain. Agriculture, construction, and electronics each added steadily. Now, ask where those industries are located. Pharmaceutical, medical devices, electronic assembly, auto component, EVs, Hyderabad, Telangana, the south. The state has roughly 6,000 plastic units, 9 in 10 of them are MSME, and over 1 lakh people in organized sector employment. Telangana placed plastic among the 14th thrust sector for its industrial policy and then acted on it. Clearance through TS, IPAS, and a dedicated plastic park at Mankhal on 144 acres. That is the policy carried through the execution. So I call the South the growth engine. So when I call the South the growth engine of this industry, I am reading from the balance sheet, not flattering my horse. The road ahead. I think the people need to know the Plastindia. Most of us are knowing. So Plastindia is the apex body of Indian plastic industry, comprising of processor, raw material manufacturer, machinery manufacturer throughout the country. It also have 2 semi-government agencies like Hiplex Council, which is under Commerce Ministry, and CPET, which is under DCPT, Department of Chemical and Petrochemical. What we are doing in Plastindia other than exhibition. So we are working on the roadmap of Viksit Bharat 2047, which includes capacity, technology, exports, employment, set down with rigor so that go to the government with evidence rather than ascertain. Secondly is the sustainability, as something we led, not something we defend. Plastindia 2026 was the world's first zero-waste plastics exhibition. That single demonstration earned us more credibility than years of argument. We are now taking the message where people gather, Durga Puja, Ganesh Festival, Mahakumbh, and many more such social events. Third, exhibition across every zone, south, east, and west, built with the regional association. Fourth, many of us know that Plastindia Foundation has invested in Plastindia International University in joint venture with University of Massachusetts, Lowell, USA. This is among the finest institutions for plastic processing anywhere in the world. PIU was established to give this industry what it most needed: engineers with management expertise, an engineering degree combined with an MBA. The university will serve as a platform for research, innovation, and sustainability, and will run continuing education program to train and upskill those already employed in the plastic sector. Plastindia 2020 is not far away. I would like the 5 southern states present in strength and exhibitors as visitors, as delegates, as partners in shaping the event. My request to every association here, let us begin that conversation now, not later. To the exhibitor, I hope these 4 days bring you good orders and better relationship. The students and young engineers in this hall, look closely. This industry has a long road ahead and it is yours to take it. Once again, my congratulations and my best wishes to Hiplex 2026. Thank you and Jai Hind.